Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. The revision is going on. Last time I had given the revision of first chapter, that is the Swan Queen. Today I am going to give you the revision of chapter 2, My Mother. Now we all love our mother. Okay, whatever maybe we are, whoever maybe we are, whether we are rich, we are poor, no. So we love our mother, and as she is, we don't want our mother to be something else. Okay, as she is, वो जैसी है वैसी ही हमें वो बहुत पसंद है. हम अपनी माता को, अपनी माँ को बदलना नहीं चाहते. वो जिस हाल में भी है और जैसे भी हमें रखती है, हमेशा यही कोशिश करती है कि वो हमें सुखी रखे, हमें खुशी दे. तो इस वजह से हम अपनी माँ को बहुत ही ज़्यादा, शायद अपने पिता से भी ज़्यादा माँ से प्यार करते हैं. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट द पोएट इज ट्राइंग टू टेल अस इन दिस पोएम. Who taught my infant lips to pray and love God's holy book and day, and walk in wisdom's pleasant way? My mother. So the poet starts with a question, and that also asking, who taught him the to pray, who taught him, who helped him to learn to pray and to read the holy books, whether it is Bible, whether it is Gita, whatever may be, whichever holy book is it. The poet is asking who taught me and who helped me to walk on the wisdom's path of wisdom. That is the tell the truth. We know that every time our mother says that tell the truth, never say lie, never fight, don't be jealous. They teach us good manners, nice things they tell us always to us, so that we can be good citizens in our life. And can I ever cease to be affectionate and kind to thee, who wasn't so very kind to me, my mother? So the poet is asking, can I ever cease to be affectionate and kind to thee? क्या मैं अपने आप को उनसे कम कर सकता हूँ? क्या मैं उनसे प्यार करना बंद कर सकता हूँ, या उनकी ऊपर दया करना बंद कर सकता हूँ? Can she or can I? No, never. I cannot stop loving my mother. I cannot stop showing kindness towards my mother, because she has been always affectionate towards me. She has been always kind towards me. So वही बात है कि हम जो हमसे अच्छा करता है, जो हमसे दया दिखाता है, हम पर दया दिखाता है, हम भी उस पर उसके साथ अच्छा ही करते हैं, उसको उस पर दया करते हैं. तो वही बात पोएट भी हमसे कहता है. No, the thought I cannot bear, and if God please my life to spare, I hope I shall reward thy care, my mother. So the poet says that, oh no, the thought I cannot bear. मैं एक बार भी नहीं सोच सकती कि मैं अपने माँ से दूर रह सकती हूँ. एक बार भी ऐसी चिंता मेरे मन में नहीं आ सकती कि मैं माँ से दूर रहूँ, चाहे मेरी अकाल मृत्यु भी क्यों ना हो. अगर ऐसा कभी होता भी है तो मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करूँगी, ईश्वर से दया मांगूंगी, ईश्वर से भीख मांगूंगी कि मुझे वापस अपनी माँ के पास भेज दे, जिससे उसने जो मेरे लिए किया है उसकी भरपाई मैं कर सकूँ. Okay, the little girl says that that if by chance I die, I would pray to God to send me back, so that whatever my mother had done to me, at least I should do it for her. At least I should give it back to her. So I will request to God, so that I can reward her care. Whatever she has done, I can give it back. When thou art feeble, old, and grey, my healthy arm shall be thy stay, and I will soothe thy pains away, my mother. So the little girl, or you can say the poet, says that when you become very old, when you are old, when you cannot walk, when you cannot talk much, no, I will be there. I will help you. I will take you around. I will help you to, no, I will feed you. What used to do our mother when we were small babies? She used to take us in her arms and walk around. She used to, feed us whenever we used to feel hungry. So something similar we have to do when our mother or father, anybody who's that matter, is old, is sick. We should take care of that person. And when I see thee hang thy head, 'twill be my turn to watch thy bed, and tears of sweet affection shed, my mother. So he said, the poet said that when I see thee hang thy head, जब आप एकदम बीमार पड़ जाए, आप अपनी अंतिम क्षणों में हैं, बिस्तर में पड़ी हुई है, आप कहीं जा नहीं सकती, कहीं आ नहीं सकती, कुछ खा नहीं सकती हैं, तो उस समय मैं आपके बिस्तर के पास ही बैठी रहूँगी. आई विल सिट बिसाइड योर बेड and I will not return anywhere. I will just sit there and I will just wait. I will take care of you. I will give all sorts of comfort to you till the last time. For God who lives above the skies would look with vengeance in his eyes if I should ever dare despise my mother. So for God who lives above the skies would look with vengeance in his eyes. तो जो ईश्वर है वो भी स्वर्ग से देखेगा कि देखो कितना प्यार करता है अपनी माँ से. वो उसको भी एक बार तो जलन होगी कि देखो वो कितना प्यार करता है अपनी माँ से, या करती है अपनी माँ से, कि इतना सा भी मेरे साथ भी किया हो तो शायद वो कितना कुछ वरदान मिल गया होता. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इफ़ आई शुड एवर डेयर डिस्पाइस, कि मैं कभी अपनी माँ को छोड़ ना सकूँ. तो कवि कहता है कि हमें हमेशा अपनी माँ से, भले माँ हो पिता हो कोई भी हो, हमेशा प्यार करना चाहिए. उसे कभी छोड़ देना नहीं चाहिए, चाहे वो बुढ़ापा में हो, चाहे वो बीमार हो. हमेशा उनकी देखभाल करनी चाहिए. आई होप you might have understood the poem well. On Monday, on Tuesday, I'll come back with the third chapter as a revision. So please go through the poem once again. Try to revise all the question answers and word meaning and exercises as your exams are approaching. So please go through the revision properly. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.